Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to week 5 of District of the Dead. Hello, everyone. So, this week has been pretty slow, or last week, because it's Monday here. I was gonna add a lot of saving features and a lot of other things, but it turned into a fixing week. It also didn't help with the progress when I went to the family for the entire weekend, so I could not work on the project for that day, but that's fine. Still have to do things like that. So, what do we have here? I've done exactly like the last week. I've written up all the things that I've added here, or the big things. Like I don't talk about every single thing I do. Most of the things are like small fixes, which I don't really talk about those because they're too small to really talk about. But what we're done. So it's the missions. Let's just recruit 2 people here. And let's give them some ammo. And here. So, the command post. Here are the missions that will be added. I've only added the extermination one, or eliminate, I think I called it. So if I press Esterville here, you see that elimination now comes up here. The scavenge and the rescue are not implemented yet. That's why when I go out of there, this one appears. So it will be different per every location. So for this one, has eliminate. You see, it says I have to eliminate 47 zombies. And if I click this one, it changes to eliminate the mission. Same way, I can't click these. These are just a placeholder right now. But yeah, so we are going to Esterville and we have the mission to eliminate. So I have to kill 47 zombies in order to evacuate from the zone. So let's travel. So, and up here in the left corner, also a placeholder here, but it says we have 0 out of 47 zombies killed. So, yeah, that's what we got there on that one. Something else you can see here, yeah, that's the noise coming in here. Might be too many zombies near the spawn point, but that's fine. If we move over here, so this is the noise system in the game. Which is I've implemented an AI now, which is like ever present. It's the map AI pretty much. Um, so what it does what we did previously, which was whenever this timer went up to 100, it spawns a wave. This time around, this one reacts to what you do. So if we start looting here, you can see that the little it will increase in, yeah, it went up to 32. So the more things you like, the better it goes for you. If you loot a lot in a short time, we can see that the AI is gonna try to throw more stuff at us. So let's loot. So it went up to 45. So it goes up a little bit depending on how much you loot there. Okay, coming over here. And yes, so let's just keep on going there. This one will send a special infected, but I think we can talk about the special infected when they spawn. Uh, so let's just wait that out. Let's see here. I've added new map items. It's pretty much, as you can see, like some new areas over here. There's sort of one far away over there that I've been working on and stuff like that. I've also added if you can see here, the shadows. I didn't add that before, so I've added the shadows to the lights now, which makes it look better. Uh, I don't know why I didn't add that from the start, to be fair. So I had to redo a lot of the lights around the map. But I don't have that many, so it's good that I started it now and not when I have a lot more lights in. And then I fixed the movement of the camera. And I also added a speed up. So if I press shift, you go twice as fast, which helps, especially when you debug. I don't know how far you're gonna be able to get from your guys with the camera. But this is something else I've added here. I've just been adding like the bare bones of the. If we can just go from here. Let's see. So this is the layout of the entire town. Uh, I've started adding the roads, and then I'll start adding like town buildings after that. Uh, yes. So 95. So it looks like they're coming soon. And let's just actually. So the first special infected is called the Horde Leader, which is pretty much a witch in other games here. Let's see if we can actually find her. We had a problem that she died way too quickly before, so I couldn't actually test her that much. So I added some more HP to her, and we should be able to wherever she is. I know. Oh, there she is. So this is the special infected, the Horde Leader, and yeah, as you can see, she starts screaming as soon as she sees you. And if we just go ahead and kill her, you can see now we have a problem that a lot of zombies are gonna come over now. Let's just throw a grenade. Let's hope we don't kill ourselves. Looks like we did. Oops. Yeah. The so what the Horde Leader does is she comes up to you and she screams. Notice I have to remove this one here when she dies. That's fine. We need to test things to be able to know what to do. Yeah, the Horde Leader comes up, she screams at you, and all of the zombies in the area start pretty much just zoning in on you. Before we had the just spawned a wave and they just rushed at the player. Now we have the Horde Leader. She goes up. They're bugging out now because the player is dead. Otherwise, they would like this is where the end screen would come up, so that's why they're bugged right now. I'm not gonna fix that because you would get a game over screen in that case. But yeah, the Horde Leader comes up, sees the player, and you saw the little icon there with the pulsating. So you know that hey, you're like alarmed the Horde, so now they're all coming at you, which is that. So you have some kind of you can either use like a sniper to take her out quickly, or I could have thrown a grenade to take her out before she could call for help, pretty much. So that is that one. Uh, and yeah, with me building that character, I now have the infrastructure for the special infected done. So that's good. And then a billion fixes has been done. The zombies used to. We can actually go again. As you can see, the zombies no longer stutter when they walk around. I noticed that in the last video and when I was game testing as well. So now I've fixed the zombie AI. They finally move around like they should. See if we can find one that's close to the border here, so they start chasing us. There we go. So he now like walks in the right way. He doesn't jitter and stutter his way up, which he did before. So that's nice. Yes, so that's what I got for week 5. Slow week, but I think sometimes you have to just spend a week fixing things instead of adding too many new things. Some of it is some new things, sure, but I think there wasn't that much added this week, which is fine, as I said. You need to have some fixing weeks as well. But yes, this is week number 5, and I'm gonna work a lot on this week now. Thanks for all for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.